So I'm Jennifer from the Sustainability and Climate Change team, which is like a sub-team of the Risk Advisory department in CLA Global TS. In the past, sustainability reporting is very much compliance-based because it was mandated by SGX. And then since then, I feel that the landscape has changed quite a bit. It's also gained quite a bit of traction in the recent years. I noticed that there is a shift in the trend where clients now, some of our clients, they may want more other than just purely compliance-based. They might want to do some decarbonization strategy or just going beyond just compliance. So my role would then evolve into more advisory or consulting kind of responsibility more than just preparing sustainability reports. Personally, I feel that work culture and environment is very important because previously when I worked at other firms, the work culture is very different and didn't align with what I value. So that's why after I left, I chose to come back to CLA Global TS. So I feel that what sets our risk advisory team apart is the collaborative and inclusive atmosphere. So over here, there is no clear segregation between managers and the staff. We always encourage our staff to approach the managers if they have any problems, be it personal or at work. And we also have lunch together as a team every day in the office, and also go out for drinks and dinner occasionally when we are all in the office.